Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I got an unboxing video to share with you and I've got the Pip Box. This is how it arrives in the post. So as always, if you're new to the Pip Box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received inside this month's box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. The Pip Box is an award-winning monthly beauty subscription box that ships worldwide. The cost of the box is £20 a month and it's free shipping within the UK, £1.50 shipping to Europe and £3.50 shipping to the rest of the world. You can opt for a monthly rolling subscription which you can cancel any month, or they offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription which brings down the overall cost. Inside the box contains 5 beauty products and they range from skincare, hair care, makeup, and 10% of all profits on their beauty boxes goes to an animal charity. You're able to view past boxes online, plus you can accumulate Pip points as well which can be used towards anything on their website. They do have an offer on for new subscribers to be able to get this box for £10. I'll pop the code down below, so underneath this video see show more. If you click that, that'll bring up description and all links and codes and everything I'll pop down there. You're also able to purchase this box for £22 as a one-off box as well. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything I'll just pop it down below. But let's open up and show you what I got inside. So this is what it looks like. You get a little leaflet and it tells you everything about the product, so I'll refer to this as we go along. And those are the items inside this month's box. It's got here, welcome to the Party Essentials box. This month we're celebrating 3 years of the Pip Box. What a great excuse to get glammed up and head out. This month's edit contains all the beauty items you need to do just that. Enjoy and tell us what you think on social at the Pip Box. It's also got the prices of the items as well, so I'm able to tot it all up and tell you the whole value of the box at the end. So this box was kindly gifted to me in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I've received a few of the Pip Boxes over the last couple of years and they're really nice boxes. They're really nice. If you're looking for a solely cruelty-free and vegan beauty box, then I definitely recommend you checking out their website and seeing like what past boxes have been like, so that you get an idea of what this box is like. So the first item is Mascara Beauty, and this is step 3, Perfect Renewing Lip Oil in Peony. I've got 5 mils there. Ooh, there you can see there. Wow, 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 that looks so pretty. Look at that. Ooh, can you see that properly? That is so pretty. So it's a renewing lip oil, step 3. I wonder what step 1 and 2 are. So it looks like there. Yeah, it's just a lip oil. Slightly tinted, just slightly tinted there. I'm not going to put it on my lips because the lipstick I've got on at the moment, it will just completely cover that in red and I don't want to put it back in there. But no, that's lovely. I love lip oils, especially on top of matte lipsticks. I like matte lipsticks because they last a long time, but sometimes I don't like the feel of them. So I always use oils and things like that just to put on top. But let's see if it says any extra information about this. So to buy this, it'll cost you £18.50. It's infused with 100% pure plant oils which nourish, soothe and plump lips. Apply before lipstick for a smooth application, wear alone for a soft hydrated lip, or top off any lip colour for added shine. No mention of step 1 or 2, but I'm assuming maybe lipstick lip liner, I don't know. So that's the first item in the box. So next I got a orange essential oil. Now in every box there will be a leaflet detailing how you're supposed to use this oil and what it's for, etc. When they sent this box out to me they hadn't done them yet, so it will be in everyone's boxes. Sweet orange citrus sinuses. I love essential oils, absolutely love them. I got a colour changing humidifier. It's only a little one like that. I got it in a subscription box last year, but yeah, only a little one, but I love it, absolutely love it. You put little oils inside and it changes colour and it's just like a puffs of steam coming from the top. It is really nice. So it's by Biosense and it says sweet orange is uplifting and worry reducing, stimulates cheerfulness and is known to reduce anxiety. Oh my gosh, I didn't know that. Add 4 drops to 10 mils of carrier oil. Can be any carrier oil you have around like peanut or olive oil, and massage the oil into your skin. Ideal to start your morning with a good mood, or put them in a humidifier like what I do. So to buy this it'll cost you £9 and there's currently an offer on to save 20% off all Biosense essential oils with code PIP20. Oh, that is just gorgeous. I love citrus smells. That is, oh I love it, absolutely love it. Oh no, that is so nice. And I like that it's got like a little tiny little lid thing there. So we've got an essential oil. Next we've got a product by Dr. Pawpaw, and this is a multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw for lips, skin, hair, beauty finishes and cuticles, fragrance free, and we've got 25 mils here. So this is the original one, but they also do like tinted ones as well. Like I've had red ones, I've had pink ones and things, so I wouldn't use them on your hands or anything like that, but this is the original one, so it's clear. Now I've got a load of these, absolutely a load of them, so it's because I get a load of subscription boxes, and Dr. Pawpaw's been like a subscription box favourite, I'd say, over the last 2 years. But it's a nice product, but it doesn't really excite me when I get it in a subscription box anymore, unfortunately. It's only because I've got loads of them lying around. It feels really nice. It's not a moisturiser. You wouldn't, well, you could put it on your skin, dry skin, like elbows or something like that, be lovely. We tend to do it at home, like for chapped lips, because I've got little tiny ones as well, so the kids have got them. I put them on my cuticles like that. I think they're brilliant. I'm saying this product is brilliant for your cuticles. To buy it will cost you £6.95. It says this genius product has a variety of uses and healing properties. It can be used as a lip balm on sunburn, skin irritations, and as a hair conditioning treatment. Whatever you use it for, we guarantee you will be delighted with a satisfying smooth finish. So there's that. Next we've got a Gradual Tan Extender, and this is Mind Tan, and this is an everyday glow invisible colour, and there's 30 mils here. An untinted daily moisturiser with a touch of tan, build or extend a natural golden glow. Now I've had this before, but I've never used it. I've got a little box underneath here on the floor here. You can't see it and you never will see it because it's a right mess. But I've got a box here and it's all got like fake tans and creams and stuff like that, like gradual tans and sprays. And yeah, I have got one of those down there and I just need to get around to using it. So if I love it, brilliant. I've got another one here. But I love gradual tans. Really, really nice, quick and easy, usually streak free, and yeah, just look really nice. Just nice and healthy glow. So to buy this, it'll cost you £9.95. Perfect for all skin types and tones. It contains natural derived tanning agents, coconut oil, argan oil, macadamia nut oil and grapeseed oil to produce superior subtle colour. So there's that. And lastly, we've got a Medusa's Makeup Mascara. Medusa's Makeup do the most amazing packaging. It's all bright colours, really unique, funky. Their actual makeup that they sell is really cool. You get like really bright pigments and stuff. So they're really, really cool brand. They do their own subscription box as well, and I've been fortunate to receive it in the past, and I've actually received this before. So it was a good couple of months ago now, but this is the Witch Lash, and it just says vegan, cruelty free and thickening mascara. Teeny tiny wand, teeny tiny wand. So this is good for really getting into the corners, and I find it good for doing underneath eyes. Underneath eyes, does that make sense? Your under eyelashes. I've got very, very fine sort of sparse lashes, so I've got to be really careful with what type of brush I use on my lids. So I like to use quite a big fluffy big one on the tops, but then I always go for like a smaller one, and yeah, this one's really nice. My top lashes, they need something a bit bigger to grab the lashes and pull it, but the size of this wand is perfect for me for my under lashes. Under lashes, is that right? Under lashes, no, bottom lashes. So this will cost you £7.70, and it says this super thickening waterproof mascara comes with a full bristle brush for the perfect application. So there you go, so that's the last of the items, so I'm just going to gather them all up and I'll come back to you. Then these are the items inside February's The Pip Box. The box costs £20 if you opt for a monthly subscription, or it's reduced if you opt for a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription. But if you're a new subscriber thinking of subscribing, you can get this box for £10. The value of all these items come to around £50, £50 to £55, so well above the cost of the actual box. My personal thoughts on this box is that there's a lovely mix, but I've had a few of the items before. These three on the end here I've had before, but I'm yet to really give that a go. But I've tried that before and I've tried that before. Both really good products, but as I said, I'm not that excited about the Dr. Pawpaw. It just seems to be doing a lot of rounds in subscription boxes. But these two are lovely. I love the lip oil and I love the essential oil as well. I can't wait to use that and see if my husband will give me a massage. That'd be lovely actually, wouldn't it? Like, but besides the actual massage, but actually smelling of oranges. Christmas for me anyway. So they usually ship the boxes out around the 20th of February, but any orders that they receive now, they'll ship them out quickly just in case they're ready for like Valentine's, which is in a couple of days time. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of the products? What do you think of the subscription? Do you subscribe? How does this box compare to previous boxes? Or if you don't subscribe, is this a box that takes your fancy? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.